Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block or unblock someone on Instagram. You can easily perform unblock and blocking action on Instagram application for a smartphone as well as from the Instagram website. You can also do this on your PC as well. Now let's begin blocking and unblocking someone on Instagram. Go to your Instagram application, or you can simply go to your web browser as well, it doesn't really matter. Sign into your Instagram, and once you're in, go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. If you want to block someone from your followers list, then go to Followers tab at the top. Or if you want to block someone you are following, then you can go to the Following tab and simply search for the contact. Tap on one of the contact you want to block, and once you're into their profile page, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. From the options displayed, tap on Block, and from the pop-up select Block. After you block someone, they won't be able to find your profile post or story on Instagram. And Instagram won't let them know that you've blocked them, which is pretty good. Let's go ahead and block the person by tapping on Block. After you perform this action, the person has been blocked. Now in order to unblock them, what you'll need to do is go to your profile from your home screen one more time, at the bottom right, and tap on the three-bar menu. In the upper right corner from this page, tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Privacy, go all the way down, and under Connections tap on Blocked Accounts. In order to unblock someone back, you'll simply need to tap on the Unblock button at the right corner and tap on Unblock. After you do that, the person will be unblocked on Instagram just like that. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.